let's take a look at the updates to version history in BluHorn. First, let's arrange our environment. Remember that your menu is changeable in BluHorn, and just as a note, you can use the settings icon to the right-hand side to put your menu at the top. Put the fixed header and navigation in place, and it will actually scroll up and down with you, keeping the menu navigation at the top. You can also hide your summary bar if you don't need it at the moment to get some extra real estate, and change the width of your columns. Just a couple quick hints. All right, let's talk. There's been a couple changes in version history. First and foremost, if at any time your worksheet is in a format that you would like to save, hit Snapshot, and we will save a snapshot of this worksheet at this moment in time for you. It will be accessible at any time down below in the version history section on your worksheet. This is especially useful if you have just uploaded a proposal or a veil and you want to take a quick snapshot before you start making changes for a number of spots and things like that. Now, let's take a look at what happens when you send an order in BluHorn. There's two types of behavior when you send an order. Let's do them one at a time. First, you can send an order the normal way by selecting the vendors that you want to send the order to and hit send. When you do that, the order will be sent, and we will leave you with the locked version, or in other words, saved snapshot of your order. And what you'll have is a copy of your worksheet that shows that it's been ordered, it's an active order that's been sent out to the vendor, and it's uneditable. If you ever need to unlock an uneditable ordered worksheet, simply know that you can use the unlock button, and that will make it editable for you again. Click OK, and you'll be taken to an editable version of the worksheet. It's that simple. You can see now that changes can be made. Now we've created a new option for you when sending an order in BluHorn. If you know that once you send the order, you want to keep your worksheet as editable, you don't want to deal with the locked version, no problem. When you send your order, simply click Continue Editing at the bottom of the ordering screen and then hit Send. The order will still be sent to the vendors, you'll receive a copy via email, and we'll take you to an editable version of the worksheet, so you don't have to worry about unlocking at all. At the bottom of the version history in your worksheet will still be a copy of the ordered version of the worksheet. You can look at it and reference back to it at any time. But now you can just go on ahead and continue working on your worksheet, just like you would in the past. If you'd like to view it, go ahead and click on the eyeball icon and we'll bring it up for you so that you can take a look and reference it at any time. You also have the option with any older version of a worksheet, including orders, to activate that worksheet. And this version will now become the most up-to-date, current version of the worksheet. You can continue to make changes, and if you want, you can send out another order from here, or start the post-buy invoice reconciliation process from here as well. It's completely up to you. We hope that this helps you keep track of your orders, but also helps you save your orders as you go along. Version history is here to save you. It helps you save a snapshot of your worksheet anytime that you'd like. If you're sending the order multiple times to a vendor, know that you can see what it looked like each time it was sent. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. To create a support ticket, click the life raft in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, and a trusted member of our customer support team will reach out to help. Thank you so much for being a BluHorn customer. Please know that you can always go to bluhorn.com/videos for other video tutorials just like this one.